Our release schedule has gotten a little mixed up as we coordinate some upcoming collaborations with other YouTubers, wrap up some already shot videos, and figure out the logistics of a large batch of upcoming videos we have. But I wanted to share everything I was able to collect in our recent expedition to California, and then mailed back to myself in a giant, very heavy box. Holy shit. Oh, that is 118 pounds of California goodness. The big reveal. What do you think, Davi? So let's start pulling stuff out and see what I got. Smells like rotten eggs. This is sulfur ore. This was in an area just north of the Death Valley, actually. It's an old mine that got abandoned. Looks like it blew up or something, and got some sulfur. And this will be useful in the future for future videos. Gonna make gunpowder for fireworks. This is pumice. This is a mine that was near where we were gold panning. It used to be mined there as a cleaning product. And you just mine it and sell it as is, and you can use it to clean your house. We got our borax. Nice crystal. Got this in boron. Could make a flux for glass making to make borosilicate, which will be hopefully the key to making it clear. It broke. Oh man. So this is a boron compound called ulexite, and it's known as TV rock because it basically acts like a fiber optic cable. In practical purpose, it has not really any use and was used in the research of fiber optics. Isn't actually usable for fiber optics itself. And here we got almonds. They are not really ripe yet. These guys, I can hopefully extract a compound in them to make sunscreen. These are reeds. They look kind of like bamboo, which we also got. It's actually the giant reed. It's actually an invasive species. It's hard to find because they keep removing it and trying to get rid of it. This is a coastal fern that supposedly can use some of the extracts from it to make shampoo. This is a stibnite. Got bands of it here, and this will be a component in making bronze alloy. More borax, the less nice stuff. Got this at the visitor center, and look at a bunch of it. A few different varieties. That is it. Just a lot of copper. The yield on it might not be the highest, so it's a good thing I got a lot of it. It's a very suspicious green rock. I usually buy this online for a fair amount of money, so maybe I'll just sell it all. So I got a whole giant bag of this copper. I mean, that's about it for my haul. It's quite a bit of stuff. Check it out. And then the last two commodities I got in San Francisco, which was after I mailed everything back. I had to actually pack them in my carry-ons. This was literally in my coat pockets. This is coal. They actually took it out and did a gunshot residue test thing they do, and I passed. They let me keep it. And this is bamboo. Very similar to the giant cane, but different. These are just some of the smaller ones. Also got some bigger ones. So the bamboo is for a variety of different things. One thing is fireworks, to make a traditional Chinese style fireworks, because they originally used bamboo shoots as the body of it. And on top of that, I can also use it for a variety of different musical instruments. And the giant reed itself is the plant that's used for making reeds for musical instruments. All right, so that's everything I collected, I think. Unless I missed something. Might be something else buried in here I'm just completely forgetting about. It was a very exhausting trip, but successful. We set out with the goal of collecting basically all of this, and we got all of it. And it's pretty rare to get like 100% accuracy. Usually stuff doesn't work out, and before we left, everything was a big question mark. And so it's really amazing that everything worked out and we were able to get all of this. So hopefully we can make some really great content, some really great actual items out of these raw resources. And be sure to check it out as we start producing everything else.